Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Daily Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Oil prices rose slightly in up and down trade, pressured by rising US crude and fuel supplies and expectations of a delayed start to Federal Reserve interest rate cuts, but supported by US economic data showing an easing labour market and slowing inflation. The S&P 500 and the Dow indexes slipped as investors weighed hawkish Federal Reserve projections against data signalling cooling inflation, though strength in chip stocks supported the Nasdaq. Nasdaq component Broadcom soared 12.2% to hit a record high. Chris Amani, CEO of Terraform Labs, has announced that the firm will cease operations following a $4.47 billion settlement with the United States Securities and Exchange Commission. The company plans to sell key projects within the Terra ecosystem and give the community control of the Terra blockchain. The euro-dollar pair dropped 0.6% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair plummeted 2.1% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a negative signal. The pound dipped a slight 0.2% against the dollar in the last session. The CCI is giving a negative signal. The Aussie-dollar pair fell 0.4% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The US Export Price Index will be released at 12:30 GMT. The Eurozone's Eurogroup meeting at 7 GMT. The US Michigan Consumer Sentiment Index at 14 GMT. The UK's CFTC GBP NC net positions will be released at 19:30 GMT. Finland's Consumer Price Index at 5 GMT. The UK's consumer inflation expectations at 8:30 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed today's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.